The darn stem wobble, right? We all got it. So I was recommended Tri-Flow Superior Lubricant. I'm gonna say that here and down here is where we're gonna get a lot of the squeaky squeaks. So I'm just gonna go a little loop. All right, guys. I mean, I don't know if this works either. Oh my God. Right, hello team, coming to you from the crazy closet. This is going to be the new studio. Doesn't look like it, but oh, you see. Anyways, how to fix this. The darn stem wobble, right? We all got it. So I was recommended Tri-Flow Superior Lubricant. And you can get these in different quantities, different kind of like grease and gel. This is like the most neutral, general one, I believe. And so we're gonna put this on the stem here, and we're gonna see if this goes away. So, whoop, do a little whoop. Put this over here. I'm gonna put this right here. Stick it in the hole. It's the only bad thing about going blind, guys. There we go. Just stick it in. So if I'm looking at this stem here, I'm gonna say that here and down here is where we're gonna get a lot of the squeaky squeaks. So I'm just gonna go a little. I'm gonna be real sparing with it at first. Obviously need to get it in there. Okay, then I'm gonna go down here. I know it's not the best lighting, guys, but just take your skinny little dude here and go around the parts that need to be greased up. And that's really all noise is, right? In theory, it's friction. So if you can lubricate that friction, you're good. And these things aren't going to go anywhere. And, you know, unless you break the stem somewhere, this thing's locked in. You got to unlatch this, bring this up for it to be, you know, to become non-functional. So this is just a pretty good here with this. Now I'm getting a little bit more generous, but I see it's going in there. And I'm gonna do just I'm gonna do just the little tweakers, little bolts that we gotta use. I'm gonna go in there. Wow, it smells very chemically. All right, guys. I mean, I don't know if this works either. This is first time for me too. Oh my God. Stem wobble. Sayonara, baby. That is pretty cool. I didn't know if this would work. All right. Seriously. That's about as hard as it is, guys. Tri-Flow Superior Lubricant. Attach. And boom. Dude, Tri-Flow. Awesome. I'm speechless, guys. My videos will be squeak free now. I know a lot of you will be like, hell, about time, man. Awesome. Awesome. Man, Kevin's, the 2 Kevins who recommended, thank you, boys. You guys are awesome. All right, the electric life is out. Squeak free. Man, first good news I've had in a while. Again, Tri-Flow Superior Lubricant. Pretty good stuff. Awesome, guys. Electric life out.